Dear students, first of all, we have to look at the feedback session. We have to look at uh, the previous, yesterday we did job application. So first of all, I would like to invite uh, Muskan Bhatia. Just face the camera. What do you mean by reverse chronological order? If you want to use chalk, it is up to you. Reverse chronological order. What do you mean by that? The 1 minute is yours. You can explain in few words also if you want to highlight. Be quick, beta.
That if we have to mention our qualification or percentage we have attained in university uh, in the order that
What is reverse chronological order?
which is the latest qualification attained by us that should be mentioned first and it should be
In I think that particular order. Okay, right. Just good. Now the second question goes to Khushi. What do you mean by curriculum vitae? And write down the spellings of curriculum vitae. So what do you mean by it?
in curriculum vitae we have to give our full introduction like name, father's name, DOB address and email ID, education qualification and hobbies, references.
Very good. Now the third term goes to Popon, you can come and just highlight, ma'am, I want to express the thing, I want to highlight the thing. You should be the first competition. So I will not repeat the time, names time and again. I think I invite Amisha. Amisha, you will have to look at, just highlight the meaning of job application. What do you mean by job application? Face the camera, beta. Face the camera. Why should we write job application? To just find job. Very good. Just please take your seat. Now let us start with the new. Today we will be in continuity with the same chapter, that is lesson 6. On the face of it, appearances can be deceptive. We shouldn't believe on that. We should be able to look at the keen or real pick of everything. डायरेक्ट मॉरल वैल्यू हमें मिलती है, डायरेक्ट लाइफ स्किल मिलती है. On the face of it, sometimes we find the things in different order. And if we peep deep into the things are quite different. So I think you're crystal clear so far as the base of this particular theme or title is concerned. So we should be very, very careful to highlight that particular point. Really, I will not look at that. Today we will start with today's main points. Today, dear students, first point you are going to study is inquiry or query of Delhi. About the friends of Mr. Lamb. Friends of Mr. Lamb. This particular child wanted to know the friendship circle of Mr. Lamb. First point we are going to study. So then you will be able to look at very fine reply of Mr. Lamb. Because he was positive. Yani that personality was with positive attitude. Be able to look at the things very different. He used to reply in a unique way. He used to reply in a fascinating way. So we must learn great lesson from this fellow. No doubt problems are part of our life. But we should not say goodbye to our positive, even in our negative circumstances. Big lesson. Already I have just repeated the point time and again that life is not a bed of roses. So it's mixture of trouble and happiness. So we must respect both. And I think straightforward question from your side must be, hey, ma'am, how can we be able to welcome trouble? So beta welcome, yani real welcome, yeah, real point for explaining this particular point is that we must be able to think boldly while we are in trouble. We must use our brain to say goodbye to the trouble. So I think you are crystal clear so far as things are concerned. Then I think first point of view, then reply of Mr. Lamb will be there. Then third point, that fellow, that is Derry would react in a very different way. Would like to point out that he would never like to leave that particular place. He will highlight this particular point that he had fallen in love with. क्यों जगह के साथ प्यार नहीं होता? I had told you many times what is the difference between house and home. So I think you never require that I would have to explain this particular these two terms again. It's crystal clear. So that fellow was feeling, Gary was feeling homely in that particular garden. He had started considering that garden his own home. Why? The reason behind that was attitude of Mr. Lamb. The basic reason of that was attitude or behavior of Mr. Lamb. So before starting today's line by line explanation, you must look at this particular point that we must be. We must be able to handle the public in a different way. The worship of humanity is the greatest worship. So we must worship humanity. So this is one of the very important lessons we are going to learn so far as today's lecture is concerned. So now open your books. I think we were doing on page number 62 if I am not wrong. 62. So now let us be ready to look at the page. 62 was over, I think. We were just doing page number 63. So just look at the beginning point, Mr. Lamb. So we had studied in our previous lecture that Mr. Lamb was trying his best to make that guy positive. ये बेटे हमने स्टडी किया है पूरे डिटेल में से कर लिया था अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में. We did that Mr. Lamb wanted to make that fellow positive and bold. He wanted him to face the trouble of his life boldly. He wanted to make him bold and positive. So that is why he had written this particular dialogue. बेटा आपके पास सब कुछ है. Physically you are fit and fine, with the exception of this small side. He wanted to highlight that particular point. So you have studied that that fellow had told him that he was having two arms, two legs, eyes and ears, tongue and a brain. So it means he wanted to highlight that physically he is able to do everything. Next step. Oh, you will get on the way you want, like the rest. Just look at the meaning of this particular line. Mr. Lamb wanted to make that fellow positive, so that is why he is highlighting this particular point that he is able to do anything and he will be successful in every effort. But condition was if he would be able to give his 100%. If he will be able to look at the focus on that particular point, तभी तुम सब कुछ कर पाओगे. वो सामने उनको कह रहे हैं कि बेटा you will be able to do the thing in a very different way, in the best way. So just look at the last line of the same dialogue, and if you chose, chosen, you have to look at this V1, V2 and V3. तो you chose, chosen. यहाँ पे इन्होंने past tense use किया है, so that is why V2 is used. Simple past tense is there. Just look at the same point and set your mind to it. You could get on better than all the rest. बेटा अगर तुमने कमिटमेंट से, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से, पैशन से कोई भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निभाई या कोई भी असाइनमेंट या be on the top, बाकी आपसे पीछे रह जाएंगे. Because that fellow was introvert. Introvert होना, that is not a negative sign. पर अगर हम अपने ब्रेन को पॉजिटिविटी में यूज करते हैं, during our study days we would have to be introvert. मेरा कल पेपर है, I am busy in this friend circle, where is that? So I never recommend on this particular point that you should be 100% introvert in today's scenario. But at least you should be able to manage the things. If the need of the hour would be, आपको समय की डिमांड को देखना है कि समय आपको क्या इशारा कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. टाइम से बड़ा गुरु कोई नहीं. You must have seen this particular Mahabharata. It starts with कि मैं समय होने के कारण मैं सब कुछ जानता हूँ. So we must be able to respect that. So I think crystal clear up to this particular point. There is no doubt in that. Now let us be for the next. Daddy, how? So Daddy was just making a very fine query. कैसे मैं अपना 100% दूं? Very fine query is there. Same way I do. Just look at the same point, any elaboration of the same point. Here, if we look at Mr. Lamb wanted to highlight that he would be able to follow him. He wanted to give advice or suggestion to Delhi that he must follow him. Because he had already highlighted that he is also handicapped. He was also handicapped, he had highlighted. और अब कह रहे हैं कि बेटा जैसे मैं मैनेज करता हूँ. Now just look at the query. There, do you have any friends? I have already told you that we would just start from this particular point. Query of Delhi about friend circle of Mr. Lamb. Next, look at the reply of Mr. Lamb. He was highlighting that particular point that he was having hundreds of friends. He wanted to highlight that he was not all alone. Number of friends are there. Hundreds का मतलब you should be able to look at the thing well. Number of. So just look at the next point. But you live by yourself in that house. It's a big house. Then you wanted to make deep query for that particular point. He wanted to ask, uncle, you were just living all alone, and your house is also at the deserted place. तो कैसे आए आपके दोस्त? कैसे? कोई तुम किसी के पास जाते नहीं हो, कोई तुम्हारे रिलेटिव नहीं है, कोई और फैमिली मेंबर घर में नहीं है, तो you wanted to look at the deep level of that particular query. तो क्या पूछा उन्होंने आगे? Just look at friends everywhere, people coming, everybody knows me, the gates always open, they come and sit here, and in front of the fire in winter, kids come for the apples and pears and for toffee. I make toffee with honey, anybody comes. So have you? Now just look at this particular point. कहते बेटा दोस्ती की बात कर रहा है तो बहुत दोस्त है मेरे, बहुत दोस्त. Wanted to highlight that number of friends are here. तो लोग क्यों आते हैं? पर्पस के लिए आते हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं यहाँ एप्पल खाने आते हैं, because that garden was full of apples. तो कहते हैं कुछ लोग हाँ पियर्स खाने आते हैं. पियर्स होती है बेटा नाशपाती, उनके गार्डन में वो भी लगी. कहते कुछ ये एप्पल्स खाने आते हैं, कुछ पियर्स खाने आते हैं, कुछ टॉफीज खाने आते हैं, particularly बच्चे, because that fellow used to make toffees. वो खुद बनाता है. हनी होता है शहद, बड़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी की ऑर्गेनिक टॉफीज बनाते हैं. बेटा बच्चे आते हैं, गेट हमेशा खुला रहता है, लोग आते हैं, and all are my friends. He wanted to highlight that particular point. ये सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं. So if we are full of amiable temperament, we will feel like that. Depends upon us. Dear students, nothing is good or bad. Thinking makes it so. सबसे पहले हमें अपनी थिंकिंग को फिल्टर आउट करना है. Can we be able to filter out thinking by education, by looking at different positive points, by looking at different life skills? So life is a game, dear students. Play it properly. खेलना आना चाहिए. सब खिलाड़ी हैं. कभी हार भी गए तो कोई नहीं. ये नहीं कि हमेशा हम जीतते हैं. It can never ever be possible. Next step, you have to look at the same in continuity. The Daddy was just raising very different query. Let's look at the query of Daddy, but I am not a friend. He wanted to highlight very negative point because if we are full of negative attitude, automatically हम भी ना सुनेंगे टाइम. अगर हमारा एटीट्यूड एक नेगेटिव है, we will never answer in affirmative. अगर हमें कोई affirmative में रास्ता दिखा भी रहा है ना, just look at ifs and buts. बड़ी क्वेरी करेंगे डीप लेवल की कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे होगा, क्योंकि हमारा जो दिमाग होगा, हमारा ब्रेन होगा, उसमें डिपेंड करता है कि आपका क्लॉकवाइज ब्रेन चल रहा है या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज चल रहा है. डिपेंड्स. और मैं एक सजेशन दूंगा, all the time we can never be positive. It depends upon need of art. इस समय की डिमांड क्या है, and we have to act upon the things accordingly. अगर हमारा ऑलरेडी मैंने बताया पहले भी 11th में भी तुमने एक चैप्टर पढ़ा था द एलिंग प्लान. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी एक लाइव डॉक्यूमेंट है. जहां हमें लगता है कि यहाँ कन्वर्जन की जरूरत है, चेंज की जरूरत है, वी मेक चेंजेस. ऐसे ही बेटे हमारी लाइफ है. हम एक बार अडामेंट ना हो जाए कि यस दिस इज टू बी डन. समय की डिमांड के अकॉर्डिंगली वी मस्ट मेक कन्वर्जन. हम इंसान है, नहीं तो हम इंसान नहीं. चेंज फॉर द पॉजिटिविटी इज ऑलवेज फॉर बेटरमेंट. इतना तो हमें रीजनिंग पावर है इस एज में, यानी आपकी बात करते you are able to recognize what is good and what is bad for you. इतनी तो हमें समझ आ जाती है इसे. We should be very careful about your attitude. I want to highlight this particular point. यहाँ कहता है कि मैं तो आपका फ्रेंड नहीं. Just look at the point of Derry. Derry was saying that he was not his friend. So, Mr. Lam, certainly you are. So far as I'm concerned, what have you done? Me think you are not. तो यहाँ पे मिस्टर लैब का पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड देखिए. जस्ट रीड दिस पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस एंड रिकॉग्नाइज द एटीट्यूड ऑफ. कहते बेटे, you are also my friend. Wanted to highlight Derek that he was also his friend. और साथ में इन एडिशन कर रहे हैं कि बेटा तूने ऐसा क्या कर दिया कि मैं सोचूं कि तुम मेरे फ्रेंड हैं. We must love nature. नेचर ने जो भी क्रिएट कर दिया, we must love. Particularly we must love humanity. इससे बड़ी पूजा कोई. कहीं पे भी चले जाना कि हम जा रहे हैं पूजा करने. अगर आपको ह्यूमैनिटी की कदर नहीं है, अगर आप ह्यूमैनिटी की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते, you will not get anything. Next step. You don't know me. You don't know where I come from, or even what my name is. Just look at the dialogue of Gary. Derek क्या कह रहा है? Derek कह रहा है कि देखो, मैं आपको जानता नहीं है, तुम मुझे जानते नहीं. Highlighting very genuine point. He just look at, he was just highlighting, you don't know me. कि मुझे तो आप नहीं जानते ना. मैं कौन हूँ? You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. ना ही तो अंकल आप मेरे बारे में जानते हो कि मैं, ना ही आप मेरी प्लेस के बारे में जानते हो कि where I live. And third point, in the same dialogue, you will be able to look at even what my name is. He wanted to highlight that even Mr. Lamb didn't know his name. तो ये 3 पॉइंट इस डायलॉग में यू आर एबल टू लुक एट. मेरे को आप जानते नहीं ना, आपको पता है कि मैं कहाँ रहता हूँ ना, आपको मेरा नाम पता है. हाउ कैन वी बी फ्रेंड्स? कैसे दोस्त हुए? Just look at the next point. Very sincere way. The next point is very, very important. Just look at the words of Mr. Lamb. Why should that signify? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filing box before you can be a friend? Just look at the dialogue of positive person. देखिए बेटा, just highlight one point. तो कौन सा पॉइंट कहते बेटा, क्या ये चीजें क्या सिग्निफाई करती है कि वहां आप मेरा नाम नहीं जानते, हम ये नहीं जानते मैं कहां से हूँ, आप ये नहीं जानते कि मैं कौन हूँ. तो इसकी सिग्निफिकेंस को मैं क्यों देखूं? He wanted to highlight that particular point. And just look at the next. क्या मैं जितने भी तेरे पार्टिकुलर्स हैं, यानी जो भी बेसिक फीचर्स हैं, यानी पर्सनल पार्टिकुलर्स हैं, क्या मैं लिख दूं उसको और फाइलिंग बॉक्स में डाल डिटेल्स के लिए? कोई मैं ऑफिशियल काम करूं? He wanted to highlight that particular point before you can be a friend. तेरे को दोस्त डिक्लेरेशन करने से पहले, तेरे को अनाउंस करने से पहले कि तू मेरा दोस्त है, क्या मैं सारे पार्टिकुलर अपने नेम, फादर्स नेम, मदर्स नेम, एड्रेस एंड कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, पार्टिकुलर्स यू आर एबल टू लुक एट. तो कहते हैं कि मैं सारे लिख के फाइलिंग बॉक्स पे डाल डिक्लेरेशन करने से पहले कि तुम मेरे दोस्त. I suppose no. He was trying to understand the basic habit of Mr. Lamb. So he was just replying in negative. नेगेटिव रिप्लाई किस बात का किया उन्होंने? डायरेक्ट ने उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं अंकल, इसकी जरूरत है कि आप लिखो उसको, पार्टिकुलर्स को लिख के फाइलिंग बॉक्स में डालो. So he wanted to highlight the point because he started believing in Mr. Lamb. टाइम लगता है किसी किसी की बात को सुन के कि उसका लेवल क्या है। तो नेवर बिलीविंग हियर से अपनी जल्दी विश्वास करने लगते, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत तो ये नहीं पता होता कि क्या ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट जो है ना थिंग आर डिफरेंट एंड रियल सेंस ऑफ टर्म थिंग आर डिफरेंट। और अच्छा भी है तो देखिए कितना बड़ा चैप्टर है। यहाँ इस पॉइंट पे अफर्मेटिव में आंसर दे रहा है क्योंकि बहुत नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड था। तो जस्ट लुक एट, कहते कि नहीं आपको पार्टिकुलर्स लिखने की जरूरत है। He was highlighting that particular point in a very systematic way. You should be able to note down this particular point very different in the diary of your brain. So you could tell me your name if you choose, and not if you didn't. कहते बेटे सारा गेम तेरे पे डिपेंड करता है। अगर तुम मुझे अपना नाम बताना चाहता है तो बता दो। मतलब यहाँ पे मिस्टर लैम ने डेरिक को साफ क्लियर कर दिया कि वो अगर अपना नाम बताना चाहता है he could tell him me. और अगर नहीं बताना चाहता इट्स नॉट वेरी कंपल्सरी। तो उनको कह रहा है, यानी उस बच्चे को कह रहा है कि बेटे इफ यू वांट, इफ यू डिजायर तो could tell your name. Just highlighting this particular point in direct speech. हम you use कर रहे हैं, it means we are looking at direct speech. So ignore that particular point in inverted commas. You should be able to insert inverted commas by your own. I think crystal clear. Next step. Daddy, only it's daddy. But I hate that. Daddy. If I'm your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. At this particular point. Now, in this particular dialogue, Daddy has told his name. Daddy ने अपना नाम बता दिया है। ने कहा कि मेरा नाम Daddy. Only it's Daddy. Complete official is Daddy. बस जो नाम होता है उसको शॉर्टकट कर देते हैं ना, वो लोग कर देते हैं। तो बट आई हेट दैट, कहते अंकल इस नाम से मुझे नफरत है। डैडी और अपने आप से नफरत करने लग गया, अपने नाम से नफरत करने लग गया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज बट आई हेट दैट डैड इफ आई एम योर फ्रेंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी माइन आई चूज दैट। तो कहते हैं एक अंकल और भी कंडीशन में आपके सामने रख रहा हूँ, एक और रिलैक्सेशन दे रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं डेवलप कर दूं मैं आपका दोस्त हूँ, ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप मेरे साथ फ्रेंडशिप के लिए हाथ बढ़ाना चाहते हो कि नहीं। क्योंकि ही वाज वेरी नेगेटिव, उसको लगता था कि वो किसी की तरफ दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ाएगा तो लोग उससे पीछे हट, मिस्टर लैम भी उससे पीछे हट जाएगा। नेगेटिव उसका लेवल जो था इट हैड बिकम वेरी नेगेटिव, extreme level of negativity was there in his attitude. Just look at Mr. Lamb certainly. तो बेटे ये तो है ही कि अगर तुम मेरे साथ फ्रेंडशिप करना चाहते हो, मैं नहीं चाहता, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आई विल बी अवे। सर्टेनली का मतलब होता है वी गिव एश्योरेंस इन 100% वे। जब हम किसी चीज की एश्योरेंस देते हैं 100% वे से, 100% डेक्लेरेशन करते हैं, ऑब्वियस certainly indeed we have to look at this particular point. Next step is that I might never come here again, you might never see me again, and then I couldn't still be a friend. He was just raising very different query at this particular moment. We read this particular dialogue and we wanted to look at the very basic point. कहते कि अंकल अगर मैं यहाँ से चला जाता और मैं दोबारा यहाँ नहीं आता तो कैसे क्या क्या फ्रेंडशिप है हमारी। दुनिया में लाखों लोग हमें दिखते हैं, मिलते हैं, सारे तुम्हारे फ्रेंड वांटेड टू है। उसको ना पता होता है कि वो कहाँ रहता है, ना उनकी बैकग्राउंड पता होता है कि पेरेंट्स कौन है इसके या कुछ। तो यहाँ पे जो बच्चे ने क्वेरी रेज की है, इट इज 100% फैक्ट। कहीं कहीं ये बच्चा ठीक भी है, ऐसा नहीं, बस उसकी नेगेटिविटी ने उसको नेगेटिव बना दिया है, उसके हैंडीकैप ने उसको हैंडीकैप्ड बना दिया है। अदरवाइज इट्स अ वेरी फाइन फेलो, वेरी डिसेंट गाय। Now just look at the point in a very different way. I might never come here again. You might never see about to complete this particular page. Our last two dialogues. Why not? How could I? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean they're friends. I think I have declared this particular point before. Now it's your time to just give me the feedback of today's lecture. Mansi, just come. Highlight first dialogue of page number 63. Face the camera. In a very single sentence. I don't want long sentences.
In first dialogue, the Lamb said to Derek that he should be positive in his life and should move on from the negativity. After that, the Derek made a query to the Mr. Lamb that how many friends did
No,
he
I am
have?
not looking at that level. While he was saying that he was physically fit and fine to do everything, I want the explanation of that point. Just
Lamb said to Derek that he is physically fit and fine, and only one part of his face is damaged, so he can move, he can achieve anything in his life.
Very good, very good. Chaliye. Next, your turn is there. Come here. Just tell me the query made by Derry.
Terry asked Mr. Lamb that you have friends, and Mr. Lamb said, I have hundreds of friends.
Very good. What do you mean by hundreds here, Mannat? How that fellow was able to declare that he was having hundreds of friends? Hundreds.
He used to consider everyone who came at his garden as his friend because according to him, they have done nothing to be their enemy, so he considered them his friends.
Very good, very good. So this is all for today. Time says that we have to close the lecture, but still 5 minutes are left. This meeting is going to be over. Real query session will start right now. You will be ever ready to answer the thing. Three students have answered my queries, but the others would be able to look at